trying to catch my breath now. I have no exercise. I'm dying now.
Are you kidding me?
What? You got what? Matthew just got the poop.
I need somebody who can love me in my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst.
So hey guys, it's Matt and Leah.
And we're about to head off into town and just have a little look around. And we're just going to take you with us so you can see the area that we're having our honeymoon in.
So we are just going to take you there, and we're actually gonna walk.
Yeah.
Because I get motion sickness. I don't like the Uber drivers here. They're kind of reckless and makes me dizzy and want to throw up. So we're just gonna walk for 25 minutes. It's kind of long for me, honey.
We'll be okay.
Are you gonna wear your shoes, or?
Probably going to wear my shoes because there's animals here. And I don't want to get my feet bit. Ooh. Like there's scorpions and stuff in Costa Rica, and I don't want to get caught.
Vans? Do you want your Vans?
No, I'll wear my New Balance.
Your New Balance, okay.
I love my Vans, but they're not good for walking in. They've got like a flat bottom, so... They're the comfy ones.
The comfy ones. Okay, well...
Stay hydrated, people.
That's something that I also need to work on. Ouch, that hurts. Oh, yeah. There you go.
Yes, Daddy.
Feelers are in.
I'm a lucky husband.
Your turn, honey.
What, show from a bone?
No. But that could also do. Okay, honey, now let's go. Let's turn off the fan. Right now, guys, we've got a temperature here that tells us
Outside,
it's 28
degrees.
degrees outside and 30 degrees indoors. That's why it was hot.
Yeah.
Honey, can you please use your cologne? I love the smell of your
Yes,
cologne.
I will use my cologne.
Perfect. It's a wonderful weather, honey.
I know, it's beautiful.
Did you double lock it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put the back in.
Okay.
Yeah. You can put that in your pocket, honey. Oh, this is a nice thingy. I love you too. This is a nice background because it's a vine.
Yeah, it is nice.
We're just going down from our Airbnb. Oh, look at that. Someone ordered a car. This was supposed to be our spot if we were going to.
So good though. Because we didn't get a
Up
car
there
in.
is our Airbnb. This is Etch's place, and we're going to recommend it to you guys.
Okay. Yeah, they've been absolutely fantastic. Even down to like when we got... Leah had a headache one night, and the pharmacy had already closed, the chemist had already closed, so we couldn't order any to be delivered to us. And we just sent a message and said, hey, do you have any painkillers? Because we've got a headache on the go here. And within, 60 seconds, there was a knock on the door.
Yeah.
A strip of painkillers had been cut off the bottom of one of the ones that they had, and they gave it to us. Really looked after us. Video the whole walk. Oh, there's a dog up there.
Oh, that scared me. Oh my god, I don't want to be chased by dogs right now.
Like old water factory.
I don't think that's old, honey. I think that's still going.
Oh, it's like someone living there. That's cool.
I think so. There are dogs. Yeah. Woof. Woof, woof. We don't want to get Uber because I have been crazy with motion sickness ever since I got to this country.
Yeah, the Uber drivers, well, all the drivers here drive a little fast.
Baby, please be a gentleman. I'll hold this. Thank you. I love you. Sorry, my shoulders is like hurting by holding this thingy. You can tell that I don't exercise a lot.
Yeah, so the yeah, everyone who drives it drives a little fast and a little crazy.
Yeah, Matty was saying that we're matching.
Yeah.
And look at our thingy, our umbrella. It's matchy matchy day.
My bag doesn't know.
But it's still cute. How does it feel holding a shoulder bag? Give me a bayot pose.
Oh, no. Bayot the eye.
Bayot means gay. You look really good with that shoulder bag, honey.
Modeling this is
Sekasana.
Sekasana, and this is the Love Heart range.
Give me a catwalk right now. This is a beautiful view for a catwalk. Show that bum, come on. I love that he does everything I tell him. Well, not everything,
No, not everything. But we have fun.
but for fun purposes.
We have fun.
So we found a house that has a really cool like clock right there.
An observatory though.
Is it an observatory?
Yeah, it looks like a tower, or is it supposed to look like one?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's a cool house.
I know. And
It's got a nice longitude, latitude.
they have like
on the side.
voltage, honey, for like
Yeah.
people. I think they're rich.
That is
They
a
seem
cool
like
house.
it.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh,
actually,
there's the
this-
abandoned building.
Oh, that is so cool. It's like the abandoned buildings. There are like lots of graffitis as well, so. But I can tell they're like gangsters that are like, do you see that?
He is cool.
Sick and keto. Oh, maybe the gangsters also have like keto
Keto
diets. Keto. I bet there's a waterfall nearby. I think there is a waterfall here in Escazú. Honey, I love your cologne. It smells so good. Honey, we're not on the right track, I believe.
No, we're not. You're right.
It was.
There are two turns right there. My bad. Well, we got to go past the river.
This seems like more of a private road going to houses, honey.
Yeah.
I literally feel like we're missionaries right now.
I feel like we're tourists.
Hi, I'm Sister Matic,
I'm Eldermatic.
and we are missionaries. I can't wait for our senior couples mission when we get old.
Oh yeah, we're really looking forward to it. We're doing more than one.
Oh, yes. Hopefully we can tour the world with our missions.
That would be cool.
Alright, so we were able to walk through like houses or residences. We didn't feel safe enough to vlog there because apparently there are people here that steals your phone. But as you can tell, we're not wearing our masks. Just because you're in Costa Rica, people don't wear their mask if they're out and about with no one near them. But if you're with other people, you have to wear your mask.
Yeah, or if you go inside, you have to wear
Yeah, everywhere you go inside, you have to wear a mask, and then you also need to sanitize a lot. But when you're just walking down the road like this with no one with you, it's like pretty much quiet here. Then you don't have to wear it. So I'm grateful because I can actually breathe. Because I'm like trying to catch my breath now. I have no exercise. This is really bad. Okay, see you guys in a bit.
Man, that's like the center of the town.
Where?
Down that way.
Are you sure?
No.
Please check your phone, honey.
I would check my phone. But
Central Park. Maybe we should go there.
okay.
Oh, I really hope that when we get to the Central Park, we are surrounded by food shops, because your girl is starting to get hungry.
I didn't get hangry.
Like most people. I'm dying now.
It's
That
only
was an uphill.
it was a very slight uphill.
No, it was a lot.
It wasn't a big uphill.
It was a lot. It was so I'm dying. We are at the Central Plaza of Escazú. You are exhausted, Superman. You are exhausted. I see you panting.
I'm not that bad yet.
Oh, so this is their city hall,
Yeah.
or like their Palacio Municipal, right there. It's like a church. But right now they're all closed. No one's allowed because of COVID. Guess what? Matthew just got their poop.
Right there on my foot. Do you see that? Do you see that? Hey.
Yum 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 yum. Delicioso. Oh dear. Oh Matty. Honey. Oh baby. Oh no, and you only brought how many pair of socks
I got like 6 pairs of these.
that you brought with you?
Yeah, and then I got another couple of pairs of like other types.
Well, I do have some. Where's my bag? I've got some alcohol in there.
Why did you let me rub it with a leaf then?
Well, because you need alcohol after you take it out.
I just got hit in the head. Are you kidding me?
What? You got what? Oh, you got another one. Yeah. We should get away from here. Wait, just a sec.
Tap on my head.
I'm just really bad. This is hilarious for me. Oh dear.
You tried it.
Wait, let me just push it.
Did you get it?
Oh.
I now have to document my own humiliation at the hands of these damn birds.
We should get out of here. Oh shoot.
And now you're just pouring alcohol on my head. I can feel it dripping down my neck.
That's okay. There's still a few poops. Oh dear.
Hey.
I'm trying to look for. I don't have tissues.
You tried it.
Oh god. Oh dear. You need to shower after we get home. Oh. Okay, you're good. Where's your thingy? Your. Oh gosh, this is hilarious. Hands.
I'm holding your phone.
Put the phone down.
What'll be funny right now is if a bird poops right on the camera.
No, don't you dare.
That would be really gone. Do me a favor.
I'm such an ugly one. You guys saw that for a second. I think, honey, the reason why you chose this place is not because we'll find a good place to eat, but because you get pooped. Can we just hold on for a second and appreciate how well my husband handled that situation? Even though you can tell he's upset about the birds, he still managed to give us a little smile. What a good sport. I love you, honey.
One of the happiest of bunnies right now.
He got pooped on. Is it bad that I'm finding this hilarious?
Yes.
Honey, smile! It's a fun experience!
Do you want this fun experience the same?
No, let's get out of here. So right now we are at a restaurant called La Hacienda and they told us to wash our hands. How are you feeling? Hangry? Corrupt. What is that?
It's a spice insecto.
What are those?
Take it inside.
Can we take your table inside?
No problem, no problem.
Oh, that's lots of insects. Holy crap, that scared the crap out of me.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. No, don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is caving in. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do my worst.
Baby, we have to sanitize. We are at POOPS now. Hands. Can you do mine slow, please?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's right there. It's right there. That was so funny. Sorry. I just want probably like ice cream on cone.
That's what I was thinking. Exactly the same thing.
My handsome husband.
My gorgeous wife.
Hello.
Hello. I've got to look over the
Your
camera.
eyes look gray right now. I just
Right.
farted. We're filming. Shoot.
You're keeping that.
No.
You are
No.
keeping that in.
Okay. Muchas gracias.
Con mucho gusto, que hay servilletas por si gustan.
Ah, sí. Muchas gracias. How's that, honey bunny? Yeah? Yours is brownie deluxe.
Yep. And it's my wish.
I'm gonna see what's inside. It's literally chocolate inside, honey. Mine is like white inside. It's because it's chocolate chips.
Well, you just missed it, but Leah used her only
Dora.
Spanish from Dora the Explorer. You can do it again, honey. Come on.
Deliciosa! Deliciosa! Deliciosa!
Holy crap. That's super chocolatey. That is super chocolatey, honey. That is so you.
It's very chocolatey.
That's definitely you. I'm happy with mine actually. That's too chocolatey for me. It's okay. No. We're gonna put the back in. It was already in that. Disgusting. That's my husband now.
I mean, we've shared saliva. It's no different. I hadn't chewed it. I literally was like,
Retreated.
that's all I done. And it wasn't like I chewed or anything.
I love the camera caught that. That was hilarious.
I said, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh, you're
It was at this moment that he knew.
Nasty. Did you enjoy today?
some of it.
I think by the time when we go home, we're just like super tired and we just want to chill and watch Netflix.
Yeah, we're gonna Netflix and chill.
Not the kind of chill, y'all.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Okay. Bye.
Can I call you babe?